Hello and welcome to the CSU Long Beach International Student and Scholar Student Health Insurance presentation for the 25-26 policy year. My name is Angela and I will be walking you through your presentation today. You may wonder why you need insurance. First, Long Beach requires students to maintain active insurance coverage. You are required to enroll in the university-sponsored plan through Aetna Student Health. Also, insurance helps to pay for your medical bills. Without your medical insurance, your medical bills may become overwhelming. Medical care is extremely expensive in the United States. The US government will not help non-citizens with medical bills. You must purchase insurance before you get sick. Seeking care in the United States can become very expensive. I've outlined here some options for you to keep medical costs down. The first is using your student health center on campus for minor illnesses or injuries. You can also go to a local doctor's office for things like physicals, illnesses, minor injuries, or ongoing care of an illness or injury. An urgent care center is used for after-hours care for sudden illness or minor injury. And finally, an emergency room, which is the most expensive option, is used only for life-threatening illnesses or injuries. We recommend that you establish yourself with a local doctor's office or urgent care center and utilize your student health center as much as possible. I've outlined the average costs of medical care in the United States. You can see here that an emergency room visit for a life-threatening illness or injury will easily run $3,000 or more. Treatment of a broken arm, non-surgical, can run $3,500 or more. Hospital room and board is easily $3,000 to $5,000 a day. If you're admitted to the intensive care unit, it's $10,000 to $20,000 per day. And delivery of a baby will be $35,000 to $45,000. So you can see here why insurance is so important. Let's go over some common insurance terms. A preferred or in-network provider is a doctor or hospital who has a contract with Aetna Student Health to charge less money for treatment. You have less out-of-pocket cost when seeing a preferred or in-network provider. The deductible is the amount that you will pay for covered healthcare services each policy year before Aetna Student Health will start paying. Your annual deductible is $150. Coinsurance is a certain percentage that you must pay for covered services each policy year after you have paid your deductible. You may still be responsible for a copayment. A copayment is the amount that you pay to a healthcare provider at the time you receive certain covered services. For example, a doctor's office visit copay is $25. An emergency room visit copay is $150. The out-of-pocket maximum is the maximum amount of money that you will pay in any year for your healthcare treatment. This includes the deductible and any copays and coinsurance that you pay out of pocket. Your out-of-pocket maximum is $6,850. An explanation of benefits is a statement from your health insurance plan describing what costs it will cover for healthcare services that you've received. The EOB is not a bill. Let's look at your coverage cost and benefits. Here you'll see an outline of the different terms and the associated cost for coverage. Insurance coverage is purchased directly from Gallagher Student Health and must be paid in full before any holds will be removed from your CSU Long Beach student account. Your insurance does not include dental or vision coverage. This benefit summary will give you an idea as to some of the things that would be covered under your policy. You should refer to the full plan document for a more comprehensive list of covered benefits. If you have questions regarding your benefits or how something might be covered, we recommend contacting the insurance carrier prior to receiving services. In order to enroll, you will visit the Gallagher Student Health website at www.jcbins.com. You will choose your university, the policy year, and student participation from the drop-downs. When you get to the Long Beach page, you will choose Enroll. You will indicate who you are enrolling and for what term. You will create your login, complete your personal demographics, as well as those of any dependents being enrolled. You will update your payment method and finalize your enrollment. If you have completed fully, you will receive an emailed receipt. Check that receipt for accuracy. So what's next? Your Aetna Student Health ID card will not be available online until your insurance start date. If you're a late transfer or enrollee at Long Beach, your medical ID card will not be available until 2 to 3 weeks after your enrollment in the plan. Aetna's ID cards are electronic only. You must visit Aetna's website or download the Aetna Health mobile app to access your card. You will be able to print your medical ID card from the Aetna Student Health site or save a copy of it to your smartphone. It is important to show your medical ID card whenever you receive medical treatment. Where do you go when you're sick? First, you can download the Teladoc app to be seen via your smartphone. You can also locate an in-network or preferred provider by calling Aetna Student Health or visiting their website. Show your electronic medical ID card whenever you are treated. You will receive an EOB in the mail or online within 6 to 8 weeks of treatment. After you receive treatment, most doctors will send your medical claims directly to Aetna Student Health for processing. If you receive a bill directly from a doctor's office or hospital, please call Aetna Student Health to ensure that they have received it as well. You will receive an explanation of benefits from Aetna. The EOB will show what was paid to your doctor and if you have any out-of-pocket costs. If you do have out-of-pocket costs, you may receive a bill from your doctor. Make sure to pay your bills after confirming that Aetna Student Health has paid their portion. You have many resources available at jcbins.com, including plan information, ID card information, how to find a provider, information on your student health center, and much more. You can also choose My Account and update your address or reset your password. Aetna has a number of digital tools available. You can visit their website, you can download their app, and receive a copy of your digital ID card. In addition, there is information on how to find a provider. It's important to note that Aetna has a nationwide network, and therefore, even if you are traveling, you can find an in-network provider with Aetna. If you have questions regarding your ID card, status of a bill, or questions on how a claim might be paid or what benefits you have available, you can contact Aetna Student Health. If you have questions regarding your eligibility under the plan or how to enroll, you can contact Gallagher Student Health. Thank you for joining us today. We wish you a very healthy year.